Unit 2. 2. Rain or shine. Vocabulary. 1.
The temperature in Winnipeg today has dropped to a freezing 28 degrees Fahrenheit, so it will snow later in the day.
2.
In San Francisco, it's raining today, and the temperature is 64 degrees Fahrenheit.
3.
The temperature in Denver is 59 degrees Fahrenheit, but it's foggy, so be careful on those roads.
4.
In Chicago, the temperature today is 43 degrees Fahrenheit, but it's windy, so it will feel much colder.
5.
It's cloudy in Dallas, and it might rain later in the day. Today's temperature will rise to 81 degrees Fahrenheit.
6.
Enjoy the clear blue skies and the warm, sunny weather in Miami with a temperature of 82 degrees Fahrenheit.